Well, welcome back to Learning English through Sustainability and Global Issues. This is lesson 3, and this lesson is about environmental issues and solutions. So, what we'll be doing is we'll be brainstorming, which is thinking about environmental issues. We'll do an open sentences exercise, which is a way to either talk about or write about, depending if you have a partner or not. Looking at our feelings and our thoughts and beliefs about environmental problems and how they affect us, our relationship with them. We'll be doing a vocabulary exercise regarding environmental issues. We'll be practicing a dialogue about fresh water, and we'll be doing practicing a reading skill, which is identifying cause and effect. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work.